So when you have depolarization because the sodium came into the muscle cell, that causes action potential. Action potential, remember, is propagation of depolarization across the membrane. This is a muscle cell membrane, so we call it a sarcolemma. And within the sarcolemma are these T tubules that are like tubes inside and around the, oh, sorry, it's here, are down inside the membranes, and they are attached with this sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is like this web of membrane, like the endoplasmic reticulum, which you learned about when you were sophomores. And it's full of, but it's full of calcium. And so what happens is that the action potential goes along the sarcolemma down the T tubule, and that causes calcium to be released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum. The calcium is really important because it is going to bind to this molecule that's on top of actin. So without calcium, it looks like this. You have actin on the inside, you have these enzymes called troponin, and then troponin controls the shape of this tropomyosin. And the tropomyosin is between the myosin and the actin. And myosin and actin want to touch all the time. That's their thing. And so, if you remember that, that'll be super helpful for you. So what happens is that you need something to block it or your muscles would be contracting all the time. So the calcium comes out, it binds to the troponin pulls the tropomyosin to the inside of the actin molecule, and when that happens, then the actin binding sites are exposed and the myosin, sure enough, bind to them because that's all they ever want to do. Cool?